learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。Hello，
大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. As you can tell, I'm talking in a slower pace because right now we're going to give you something very educated, and that is another Hakka proverb. So are you ready to give us a meaningful Hakka proverb? 準備好教我們一句了嗎？
好，沒問題。
好。
三日唔淹橋生，
三日唔淹橋生，
三日唔做樹生。
又是三日唔做樹生。好像只有一个字不一样哎，
对呀、
一个是树，一个是 kill， 这什么？
一个就是手
啊，树就是手，
对
，That's the hand。
kill 就是口，
哦，口跟手 ，kill is 口，树 is 手。Okay，one is about the mouth, one is about the hand. I have a feeling this has to do with something about we need to do something over and over again. 好 ，break it down， 这两句话到底什么意思？第一句
就是3天不念。就是嘴巴就生疏了
哦，三念就是3天，
对
，OK， 不是3年哦，是3天而已哦。OK， so after 3 days, if you don't use your mouth, if you don't speak, if you don't study, you're gonna get rusty. OK， 就是口就会有点生
对，就比较生疏了，对，
生疏了。那第二句也是3日，
嘿，就三念，就是3天不做，那个手呢也就一样生疏了。
哦，所以变3念唔做，
树上，
唔做就是不做。然后你的手就会生锈了。Okay, so the second line is about if you don't do things for 3 days, if you're lazy and just lie around for 3 days, your hands are going to get rusty. 这也的确啦，真的，我们一定要好好的，不管是念书或者是做事，一定要奋发图强，一定要不能懒惰。
对，一定要持之以恒。
持之以恒。Okay, so again, it's showing how important it is to work hard, study hard. All right, let's listen to the explanation in English.
3 days without study, your speech gets rusty. 3 days without use, your hand gets clumsy. This Hakka saying shows the importance of studying hard and working diligently. 3 days of slacking off and your abilities begin to wane, whether in mind or body. So, if you want to be good at something, make sure you persevere.
And now let's have Leo read the line again. 我们这个 Hakka proverb 就是
三日唔淹橋生，
三日唔淹橋生。
三日唔做樹生，
三日唔做樹生。And there you go. That does it for today's Hakka proverb and talk about Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只識張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.